just got to Rotterdam. We got to our hotel and it's pretty early, so we have to wait for our room. So we're gonna go explore. We have no plans at all, so we'll just see where it takes us. And we are actually going to be super jet lagged because we didn't really sleep on the flight at all. And it's 8 in the morning here and probably midnight at home. So wish us luck. We just had breakfast and now we're exploring, and we saw this Ferris wheel. So we're gonna go check it out. Officially day 2 in Rotterdam, and we are going to go to an art museum, check out the art walk, do some more street food, and I think we're going to try out, there's these cube houses that look really cool and just some other architecture. So we're just gonna walk around and see where it takes us. So we are here at the art museum and we'll try and get some clips of it and show you all around, but I wanted to show you guys the coolest thing. We had such a fun day today in Rotterdam, and now we're going to go to dinner at a place called Aloha Bar. They basically repurpose all of their food, so it sounds like it's going to be pretty interesting, and it's on the water, so it should be pretty cool. All there is to see in the waterways, so check it out. we are trying the sweet and floral options here, and we decided to go with Malfi's pink grapefruit. And then for the floral, we went with Hendrix with a rose lemonade.